Jai Guru, Jai Brajananda. The Burasi Falhas come out from natural source from earth. It is not constructed by anybody. In the Asian country, Burasi Brajananda temples are situated Bangladesh and India. At Bangladesh, Sri Sri Burasi Dham Dhaka, Manikganj Punnananda Dham at Manikganj, Deundi Bartala Gupta Vrindavan at Deundi Tea Garden, Brahmandura Burasi Brajananda Dham at Brahmandura, and in India, Bangalore Avenue, Calcutta, Samadhi Mandir, Navadip Burasi Brajadham at Navadip, Nadia, India, Burasi Brajananda Dham Vrindavan at Vrindavan in India. All these temples are situated, and it has been shown in this website. Lakhs and lakhs peoples are visiting every year in all these temples for their holy peace. Our omnipotent Burasi Brajananda bless us for the peace and happiness. Just you can have a look in the picture. Our Lord Burasi, his hands is open, both the hands. He never demand anything from any devotees or disciple. He says, it is mentioned in Lila Parichaya English that, come to me, I shall give you just what you want. Just feel. Said he with a smile. Again I asked, the devotee and disciple asked, what can I ask you? What are you capable of giving me? One devotee asked. Lord Burasi Brajananda says, no need of knowing what I can give you. Means our Lord Burasi can give whatever the devotee and the disciple can pray to him. He is the omnipotent. That's why take it for certain that he can give even if we devotee want himself. So he is ready to distribute himself for us, just like Jesus. Jesus explained to everybody that, oh my Lord, they do not know what they have done. Please forgive them, please forgive them, please forgive them. So this is the situation if you compare with the Jesus, say in these books, that Burasi already created a books through me, Khamapara Brahmachari. It is the name of Thakure Tarak Brahmanam or Brajananda Sharanam. It is in the books gallery. The people can get down that from the download. Lot of things are there, all the videos, all the picture and all the books, some magazine, and moreover that letter of Lord Brajananda, it is named Amrita Sagar. You can, lot of peoples, the whole world can find out what he has written, not for a person. This is for everybody. Believe. If you pray in front of this picture, proper way, from these pictures, from these photographs, Guruji can provide you bliss. He can give you so many bliss to you, so many things to you, you cannot imagine. This is our Lord Burasi Brajananda. So now I can say again, Om peace, Om peace, Om peace. My earlier family life name was Mrinal. I am son of late Ramakrishna Pal, who spent his last life at Burashi Brajananda Dham, Vrindavan, as a Sevite. My mother, Bina Mai, was also a Sevite at Vrindavan Dham. She was a lyrics maker, funny thing, also a music director of Guruji's and others, so many devotional songs. Some songs are released in the city in the year 2011, 10 and 11. She was a singer also. Moreover, Guruji's create this website for everybody. From my childhood, I found my parents was disciple and devotee of Burashi Brajananda. I born in a pious family. As a result, I have got initiation of Krishna mantra from my Lord Brajananda. In my childhood, my Lord was becoming visible to me, sometimes as a friend, sometimes as a guardian, teacher, and sometimes as Lord Burashi, and also as a friend. In the year 1975, I was in Bhopal. My Lord, He called me from Vrindavan. I found, once in a blue moon, I found that one letter has come from him, that please, my son, please come and visit me. Immediately, I visit him, and there I have received initiation of Brahma Mantra from my Lord Guru Brajananda at Vrindavan again. I spent my valuable, my most lucky days, 15 days with my Lord Burashi at Vrindavan. That time he was in Laddaram Dharmasala. That time our temple not yet situated. He is searching here and there, any places for Burashi Dham, Brajananda Dham, Vrindavan. There I find out that Lord Burashi provides me lot of lesson. He gives me lot of things to me. He promised me, he committed me that, my son, don't worry, you have to do this. And he instructed, he informed me that time will come to you, and according to my instruction you will go, don't worry. This is my Yeshwarjat. I am here with the bliss of Lord Burashi. So I am praying to him, oh my Lord, please develop me and teach me for your all types of service. Also instruct me for all kind of devotional job which must be for you and for your temple. I believe that in your kindness, my family life already has to be converted to religious life. Kindly let me allow and show me the light and actual path of progress, salvation. In the last line, I want to say again, for the whole people of the whole world, I am praying to my Lord Burashi Brajananda. Hey, O my Lord, merciful Lord, please give your bliss and provide peace for your all devotees and disciples of the world. Allow and bless for opening for a publication of your website for the world wise people who needs their peace from you. Please support them and bless them. Om peace, Om peace, Om peace. Last of all, I want to give my whole respect, heartily respect to him. Om Namah Sri Sri Bhagavate Jagadguru Burashivaye Brajanandaye Namo Namah. Jai Guru, Jai Brajananda.